How to fix the text cell in the Google Sheet. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem of yours. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. So first of all, you should start by opening your Google Sheet. For that, open your Google Sheet, and after you open it, go to any sheets that you want to. Now whenever you try to type something and it exits and it is just done to the next column, it just is in the next column or next row, then what you can do is there are two options for you. Either you can expand the column or you can expand the row. How you can expand the column is just by tapping on the column right here. Now just tap on the edges of the column and expand it. Go to the A section and you can just do like this. Now if you want to change this is how you can expand the column. Now to expand the row, just tap on the one icon and now you can just send and just expand it till here. So the more you write, the more you can expand as well. So now the one is this big and the two is like this. So this is how you can do it. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.